Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to completely mute your smart TV system sound. In this video we will learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, you need to open your smart TV settings like this. Okay, and in the settings scroll down and find out device preferences. Open it, and here once again scroll down and find out sound settings and open it. From here you can easily able to completely mute your system sound. If you want to mute this, just turn off this option. That's it. Now your system sound was completely disabled on your TV. If you want to enable it, just turn it on back once again. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this short and simple video. If you enjoyed, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.